Hello, hi everybody. My name is Raz. I'm here to just show everybody how I grow a tomato tree here in hot climate in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, using a mineral water bottle, a nice big mineral water bottle. And I hope it helps people because when you grow it from the pot at the bottom, you always get ants and things growing up, coming up from it and killing the tree. So I'm here. Yeah, hi everybody, it's me. Just to show everybody. Okay, so this is it. This is a seedling. Yeah, tomato plant seedling. Takes about 7 to 9 days to come out. So you can, when you start off, you use this. Yeah, grow it from a small little pot. Okay, here's my soil that I'm going to be putting into the mineral water bottle. Use normal black soil. You can buy it from the shop right next door. And put a little bit of a baja. A bit of things in it. Okay, and this is the mineral water bottle. I think it's like it's a big one. I think it's a 5 liter mineral water bottle. Cut the top off. Sorry, the bottom off. Yeah, we're gonna hook it from bottom top. Okay, and here's my video. Transfer pokok tomato dalam sini. You ready? We're going to slowly transfer. Okay.
And it look what inside.
Oh, it's Sammy.
Sammy
And can you bring me the
what?
yang warna merah, the red color tu? The shovel. Yang nak je? Well, as you can see, that's me. I'm trying to take out the little seedling to be put into the water bottle, the empty water bottle. Guys, I'll be doing another video soon enough, yeah, to show people how it's growing.
Daddy, what tu ke boleh tu?
That's my little helper. Mana? Transfer ni ke sini. So trying to carefully edge it out first before I use my hands. There you go. Yep. In from the bottom, out from the top. Don't worry, the sand won't fall down. It won't fall out. Just put it in. Take the balance. Okay. Then pour it in. Pour it in. So guys, yeah, so this is the end result. Yep, hang it not on direct sunlight, yeah, but where there's enough sun. Hang it upside down. The plant will be fine. It'll grow from the bottom all the way up. Yeah, so you have your string, you have everything. Anyway, cheerio, guys.